Hi there once again, everybody. My name is Jesse Lopez, and I'm so excited to be going through the body language curriculum with you. Today, we're going to be doing that through the individual body mechanic of framing. Let's do it. As we've focused on the individual body mechanics, we have one left. That's the skeletal framing. So what I want you to feel confident in is your ability to stand up straight through the spine, out through the shoulders, and then as we let our arms relax, we need to decide where we're going to put them in order to practice this social dance without any social dance partners. What I'd like you to do while you're practicing your upper body's skeletal framing is slowly, slightly bend your wrists. Just enough, just up. And once they reach the end of their range of motion, you can start to bend the elbows. Now, the reason we do that is because a lot of times people are gonna raise their arms from the shoulder first, and I want you to get into the habit of moving from the tip of your fingers into the arm. So we're gonna move the wrists, then the elbows, the wrists, then the elbows, the wrists, then the elbows. And the result of that is that your arms are going to take this bent position. And from that bend, we can hold the muscular framing of our shoulders while relaxing the muscular framing of the arms so that we can be groovy while we dance our West Coast swing. Just keep them in this nice, bent, relaxed position as you practice your double steps, your triple steps, your grounding, your hip shifts. I didn't floss there, guys. I'm so proud of me. As we dance back and forth through that, that's going to be great practice for you. That's how we hold the upper body's skeletal system. Thanks. Switching into some more practice mode. We're going to do that through the... Bless you. No, it's cool. I guess we'll just do it again. All right, everybody, it's time to switch into practice mode. We're gonna work on our skeletal framing, but we get to use music. So I want you to follow along with me. We're gonna start with good posture. Hold it up. In positional frame, maintaining an upright posture through the spine, shoulders down. Now collapse. Feel what it's like to let that go. That's not where we want to dance from. I mean, sometimes maybe. Stand it back up, breathe. Holding the body where it needs to go. Moving around, having a good time, but keeping the focus on skeletal posture. Down. Back up. Down. Back up. If it's just the neck, down. Not good. Back up. Just the chest. Down. Not good. Back up. Hold it. Shoulders. Wrong place for it. Put them back down. Whole body holds posture. And now what we do is dance. As you move at home, have a good time with your grooves, but maintain the posture while you're dancing, whether that's triples, doubles, singles, or just movement in general. Having a good time. Keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Whoo! The end, and now let the arms fall down, far down. Practice this. That means we're going to be looking at. That means we're going to be looking at our. So it's set. Oh no, I touched my face. Framing from a skeletal perspective. I keep touching my. Oh man, there's a connective tissue inside of your joints. It's called a ligament. Where do I put my hands? Oh, you didn't like it, babe? Have a good time practicing. And I'll see you on the dance floor.